Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't open uh, if you can't change your battery plan, so for fixing it just right click on your battery, on your battery, not on volume. So just right click and here you will see power option, so just tap on it, just open your power options. And here you will see balanced recommended, automatically balances performance with energy consumptions on capable hardware. So just tap here on change plan settings, and here you will see change settings for the plan balanced. Choose the sleep and display settings that you want your computer to use. So turn off the display 5 minutes, or here you can see from 1 minute to never, 5 hours and never. And also when you're plugging to electricity, so here you can see from 1 minute to 5 hours and never, and put the computer to sleep 15 minutes, or from 1 minute to 5 hours never for on battery, and plug in from 1 minute to 5 hours and never. So just for example change it like this, and after you change just tap on save changes, and now your changes will be successfully saved. So this is a way how you can change your plan settings on your battery on Windows 10. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.